Morning students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about second classification of noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. First we will remember what we learnt yesterday. We discussed about nouns. So what is noun? If you remember, noun is a word which contains person, place, thing and idea. Then we discuss about classification of nouns. Proper noun and common noun, countable noun and uncountable noun, collective noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. Then we discussed proper noun and common noun. If you recall, what is a proper noun? Proper noun means name of particular person, place and thing. And common noun means name we give in general to all person, place and thing. Okay. We will take an example. Rahul is a good boy. Rahul is a good boy. Here Rahul is name of particular boy, so it is a proper noun. And boy is a name we give in general to anyone, so it is a common noun. We will go to next category, countable noun and uncountable noun. So, what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things we can count using numbers, that is countable nouns. Countable nouns can be singular and plural forms. For example, a cat, a man, 3 bananas, a, and the are used while using singular form. For example, a bus, an orange, the sun. Listen carefully. Singular nouns is changed to plural nouns by adding s, es and ies at the end. For example, cow, cows, match, matches, lady, ladies. See, word at the end, yes, yes and ies in the plural form. Look into the another category, that is uncountable nouns. Things that we cannot count using numbers, that are uncountable nouns. They usually do not have any plural form. For example, tea, water, sugar. We cannot count tea, water and sugar. So, they come in the category of uncountable nouns. This news is very important. Here, news is uncountable noun. We cannot count how many news are there. I love listening music. Here, music is uncountable noun. Okay. What we learned today? Countable noun and uncountable noun. And in countable noun, we saw two forms of noun, singular form and plural form. Okay students, I am giving you worksheet on today's topic. In description box, you have to solve it. This is your homework. Okay? Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Be ready to fight COVID-19.